Hi all. In this video, we are discussing about OpenHRMS legal actions in Odoo 15. OpenHRMS is an open source HR management software that envisions building a happier workspace for employees. OpenHRMS takes care of all your HR process while you take care of all your employees. It works well for both large scale and small scale enterprises. So in this video, we are discussing about OpenHRMS legal actions in Odoo 15. OpenHRMS legal actions is to manage the legal issues of an organization of any size and can keep the records of the legal actions taken part. Also, it manages the legal actions of employees, customers and suppliers. For getting that feature, first we need to install the HRMS legal actions module from the App Store. So, which of the technical name OHR Lawsuit Management, OpenHRMS Legal Actions. So currently in my demo database, it is already get installed. Once we install this module, you would be able to access this feature. For accessing that feature, we need to go to the Employees module. So under the Employees module, we can see a new menu, Legal Actions. So this is a tree-like view for the legal actions. Here we can create the legal actions requests. Click on the create button, a form view will appear. Here we can add the reference number. So for example, I am creating a legal action request and add a reference number. And here we can see the three mandatory fields. Two of the fields are for party 1 and party 2 and next for employee. So first party we can choose the company name. So currently I am logged in as your company. So I chosen my company. And then second one as party 2 as employee, partner or others. So if it is partner, here we can choose the partner, or if it is employee, we can choose the employee. So I am choosing the party 2 as employee. Then the field will appear that as employee. And here we can choose the employees that we need to take the action. So I choose the employee as Abigail Peterson. Then add the court name. So for example, I am added it as district court and judge as judge name and then a lower. So added a lower too, and then the date as 30 and also the today date is added here and also a hearing date is added here. And if we want to add some more case details, we can add the case details. Likewise, we can create a legal action request for our organization. And then after saving it, we can see it straight as draft. And here there is two buttons, one for cancel. From here, while I click on this cancel button, it moves to a cancel state, and also another button that is process. So while we click on the process, it moves to the running state. So this action is on the running state. That means it is running. So while maybe it goes to the hearing process or the processing is take place. When the legal action is complete, we can add it as if it is won, we can click on this won button. So it moves to the won stage. And if get lost, we can click on the lost button, it move to lost stage. So I click on for example, I click on the won button, so it moved to won stage. Likewise, we can manage each legal actions that take place within our organization of any size, and also a code will be generated while we creating and save the record of our legal actions. So it is easy to manage each of the records. Likewise, we can manage the legal actions of employees, customers and suppliers within our organization. That's all about the feature of HR legal actions in Odoo 15. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to know more details about OpenHRMS, you can visit openhrms.com.